Good morning, y'all! Today is March 3rd and it's currently 6:08 in the morning. Kakababa ko lang din sa kusina because I'm cooking breakfast right now. Wanna see? Turkey bacon! Yeah! And no, I'll also be cooking scrambled eggs and some toast. Then I'll go shower. I'll go get ready. Then hit the gym. Wait, bago ang lahat, kailangan may patugtog, syempre. Wait lang. Yeah! One of these guys gonna make things sound with the wrong side blind. That's one of you now. Father side till then I fight. Rain on me, put the blame on me. Got hurt, that shame on me. You know when you're trying to do a slick bun and you have a thick hair? That's me right now. You feel me? Okay na yun?
Just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted, start to deep it. I just deal with people exactly how they treat me. On the block ain't nothing but youths, trying to be bad and hoes that act up. I've been obsessed with money, I knew would get my stack up. I ain't lacking on my own, I got me, no backup. They talking on me, and none of it factual. Meanwhile, bro in a bando, hoping Fed don't raid his yard. She like, boy, you toxic, you ain't got no heart. Get let down when you love too hard. 100 roses ain't gonna fix it. Maybe a Chanel bag. No one checked on me when I needed. So I just stack my bread, stay in my bag and not in my feelings. Overthink too much, I get distracted, start to deep it. I just deal with people exactly how they treat me. Don't bell my phone, I'm busy. Not right now, I'm busy. I'm not outside, but after I make this play, I'll go get litty. Bad me still wanna link me, but guess what? Not today. Try block my shine. Bro, get out the way. You man beef ain't got no income, that shit dead to me. I know that hoe still want a reaction, you lot be tempting me. I know that hurt, I cut you off, now you wanna get to me. Stop that separately, ask me how I am, though mentally.
Ako guys, may kwento sa inyo. Kanina baga sa gym, kukuha sana ako ng 45 plates diga doon sa Smith machine. Instead na kumuha ko doon sa lagayan, sariling lagayan ng mga plates na iyon, kumuha ko doon sa loaded barbell ng lalaki. Napatingin sa kanya lalaki. Ako naman tumingin. Tapos sabi ko, oh, sorry, na-realize ko, diba? Pag sa bobo. Kakahiya, digo. Pag sa bobo ko kanina. Actually, we're not saying any self-deprecating jokes anymore because I'm amazing and gorgeous and one of a kind and mabait. Alam nyo na yan. Nagugutom na ako. Let me just eat before I starve to death. But first, I'ma wash my hands because if you don't wash your hands right from wherever you came from, girls, like, what are you doing? Oh, oatmeal, by the way. Bomb. I'm telling y'all. I know I've been inactive recently on YouTube. And yes, I will still be doing YouTube because I have no life. So we made it here sa Chinookan. Siguro mga 2 oras lang kami din because I just wanted new jeans and I feel like yung mga jeans ko, like, I want that. As I was saying, gusto ko lang ng low-waisted baggy pants. Medyo light wash siya. Basta medyo light wash, tapos low-waisted, tapos baggy. So, yeah. Yun lang hinahanap ko. Yun lang gusto kong bilhin today kasi nagtitipid din ako. And we might go to IKEA kung merong time. Visit, almost 250 siya. I wanna get it so bad. Pang snowboarding din. Kahit ito, okay na sa akin. I'm debating. I'm kinda debating. Hold on, let me try it on again. Oh my god. Ang ganda. Ang ganda kayo. Taray. Mukhang social ako din eh. Wait. 360. Kinda wanna get it. No, kala ko gay pants laang. Parang gusto kong bilhin. Should I get it? Pabili na naman ho.
Sabi niya, pants lang daw. Go.
So I just got into my courtside fit. Wait. Let's take a look. Astig. Naka-street style. Slay. We're out! We're out and about. Hey! I took a nap. Yes. And now I have energy. Ooh! Pasok na kami. Here. Palakadin natin si Axel. Walk! Walk, bebe! Walk! Walk! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye-bye, bebe! Ayaw niya mag-walk today. Tawad siya mag-walk. Tignan niyo yung ball skills ko, guys.
Ate Venice, guys. Nagbabasketball, guys. Nagtatry lang siya. Pinsan ko siya, guys.
Wait, cross over. Oh!
Agawin mo to sa akin. Agawin mo yung bola sa akin. Agawin mo!
Hindi ako titigil hanggat hindi ako nakaka-shoot.
Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks. Jumping jacks. Shoot! Ang daming exercise dito. May basketballan, pang-exercise, makaka-jogging, makaka-jumping jacks.
Ayan, nag-start na sila. Yung team namin is naka-purple. Hindi pa naka-in si Tito Aldwin and Kuya Nats pala nandun. Number 3.
Black ball. Yellow ball, yellow ball, yellow ball.
And yan pa lang yung score so far. First quarter. I take the ball. I bounce it. I shoot. I miss it. Peanuts got the ball. I shoot it. Let's go. Kami po yung home. Yan. Sobrang tight ng laban. 25 seconds on the clock. Take the ball. I bounced it. I shoot it. Oh. Sayang. 10 seconds. 2, 1.
Nice.
Shoot.
Nice, man.
Panis kayo dyan.
Rin lang, oh.
Yung nag-aaway ho. Wala na. 1 minute na lang. Last 1 minute.
Bakit sino ba yun? Ha?
Okay, y'all, new location unlocked. We made it here sa IKEA, and I'm trying to choose, hopefully, makabili ng wardrobe kasi walang wardrobe sa room ko. And yung wardrobe, plano ko is to make it as a sangga kasi open room lang talaga yung bedroom ko. Originally, it was a bonus room, but we made it as a bedroom ko na lang. So, yeah. Namimili ako ngayon dito and I can't choose. I couldn't choose. I don't know which one to get.
Bet ko to kasi may mirror. Anong pangalan to? Song Sand. Basta yun. But yeah, may mirror siya and then malaki yung space niya to hang clothes. Hinahanap ko kasi for a wardrobe is malaki yung space pang hang ng clothes. Pero I'm still gonna look for other ones, for better ones na mas cheaper dito. Kasi Diyos ko, $4.29. Isang linggo ko na yun sa McDo, guys.
Ito, pwede na din. Kaso, yung space para sa mga hamon, third lang siya. Instead na ako. And like that one, full siya. And then this one, hanggang dito lang. But here, the storages.
I don't know. I might get this one. It's either this or this. Which is like, they're kind of similar, but this one is cheaper. So, yeah.
It's already 10, y'all. And kababa, diwash ko pa lang. And ready na din ako mag-skincare. Ay, are. Wait, may pakita ako sa inyo. I also got this from the mall earlier. And I love it. Bayonetta glasses. Anyways, typically what I do during this time is I just binge on my phone or like watch a show. I might watch a show. Gilmore Girls. Grabe, ang bilis ng oras, no? It's been a busy day. I did a lot today. And it's been a magastos day. Alam natin yan. And yeah, I think that'll be it for this video. Pumili talaga ako ng araw na free ako the whole day to vlog. Kasi namimiss ko na din mag-vlog. Sa totoo lang. Now that I'm back, I expect myself to be more consistent on making YouTube videos this year. Sana nga. Sana. Otherwise, hope you guys enjoy watching this video. And if you need me, just call me and I'll be there. Except my phone will probably be on D&D and on silent. But bye!
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice,